our placemats is put down our contact paper. Now, we don't have a laminator, but if you have a laminator,
you could use that.
You could use that, and you wouldn't have to do the whole contact paper thing. It would sort of change how you're going to do the process of making it. If you were going to do one on laminating, if you're going to laminate one, you would need to put down a piece of construction paper, and then with a glue stick or something, put your pictures on it. You'll see what I mean when we do ours with contact paper. Because contact paper is so sticky, we can just stick the pictures right onto the contact paper and they will stay. Makes it tricky to work with. Contact paper sometimes sticks and, so I don't know, it's part of the challenge, part of the fun. And also what's sort of fun is we're going to make it so that the pictures are face down, so we really don't get to see our finished product till the end, and that also makes it kind of exciting too. Now, there's all kinds of stuff that you can put on your placemat. I was looking online at other placemats ideas, and you could do that too. But you've seen placemats that you buy at craft stores or, I guess, school stores that have the presidents on them, have the states on them, just information, numbers, stuff like that. You could do a Catholic version of that if you like. You could put the 7 sacraments, you could put the works of mercy, you could put different prayers that you wanted to memorize. You could also have each kid make their own placemat, and they could put pictures that they like, their favorite things. They could cut out pictures of dogs and cats or other animals or trucks or wherever they wanted and put on their placemat. You could do one that's individualized. You could put one, make a placemat that shows how to set the table with the plate and the fork and the knife and where the napkin goes. So there's lots of ideas. For ours though, today, I wanted to start saying this prayer at the end of our meals, and it is the God Made Us a Family prayer. You can look it up online. I've also included a PDF download of this if you wanted to use this even for something besides just a placemat or something like that. But at one time we had said this at the end of our dinner, and we had kind of quit that habit, so I wanted to start saying it again. So that's what sort of started the idea of let's make placemats, so this is on everybody's placemat so they can read this prayer at the end of our meal. And the other thing I wanted to put on our placemats is I've cut out little bubbles of different things. What does yours say, Esther?
What were you most proud of today?
This says, who do you wish was eating dinner with us today? What else do we have? Did you see someone be kind to someone else today? So these are positive. Go ahead.
Kind of. Wait, what's this one again?
This is, this is what kind of exercise did you do today?
What is one way you saw God working today?
All right, so you get the idea. So we're going to have just conversation starters on our placemat so that when we're at dinner, we'll pick one that everyone can answer, or we'll make people pick one from their own placemat. All right, so let's go. Oh, we didn't say what you need for this craft. What do we need?
We need stuff to decorate.
Stuff to decorate.
And words and the prayer.
Yeah.
And brown background.
Yeah, I'm using the brown paper. I cut out brown paper from bags, actually, for our background.
I don't like that, though.
And you can make, I'm sorry. But I didn't want it to be too crazy in our dining room. But you can make it wild or whatever. Or you can make it, you can make it pretty, like, to match your decor or whatever. All right. So, and our contact papers. The first thing we're going to do is put our contact paper down. Now, you have to peel it off. Go ahead. Without letting it get any crinkles in it. So go ahead.
That one had a peel.
Yeah, that's how you get it started. Yeah, the hardest part is finding where to peel. So go ahead, pull that off. Ta-da!
It's very sticky.
Very sticky. Sticky. Now, if you want to, and you're having little kids do this, you might want to just tape a little bit of the corners. Don't tape it down too much though, because you have to remove it, and you're going to need that sticky part. So I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on the corners to hold it down.
It's going to be nice.
Yeah, just a little bit. And I'm putting it on just the very corner so we can easily take that off.
feel like this is like
Want
on
to put that on that corner? Yeah, that stuff underneath it looks going to distract us. So of course,
Mom.
you good? Nice and tight? All right. So the prayer's going to go on first.
Okay. So are we
Which
putting
side
this?
do you want the prayer to go on?
I like this side kind of.
Okay, don't make it go upside down. This is the top here. So we'll make it so it sort of faces us. And you want to make it sort of straight. Once it's down, it's down. And then I think we should put like 5 or 6 of these things on, maybe.
I like this one.
We just want to make sure we repeat any. And if they're upside down, that's okay. We want to try to make them the right side up.
So, what are you? Oh, well, that works. I didn't mean to do that.
And this one here,
No.
is that the same as that one?
Did you see some way the kind?
Yeah, what is one way? Okay, put that one now, put this one over here. You want to put that in the middle? Beautiful. And then we have decorations that I actually cut
out from wrapping paper.
Yeah, I wanted some kind of colors. Some creative way to put color on here without... You could use glitter.
Glitter would be pretty.
If you had different paper, you could use washi tape. Whatever. I kind of wanted to stick with some basic colors, and that's one reason why I went with the wrapping paper idea.
Ooh, what about
But
these?
these are just plain paper. You want some just plain?
Whoa!
You want some just plain paper to go down?
I want this to be like a different shape though.
Well, if you want a different shape, go ahead and cut it out. Without it getting any wrinkles in it.
I don't have it.
Here, no, here. Wait, just wait a minute, because you'll get a wrinkle in it if you're not careful. Go ahead, hold that corner there.
Oh, wow.
Let me do this corner. All right, let me do, no, we don't want any wrinkles in it, so we're going to get a wrinkle. Or a crinkle. But if you get a crinkle, that's okay. This is the back, so it doesn't matter too much. Oh, here, wait. Go ahead, unroll that maybe. We're not very good at this, are we?
Nope.
We don't have enough contact paper experience.
No.
Alright. Ta-da! Yay! We got one little
I can
crinkle in
see you.
it. See it right over here, but it's okay. Alright, so you want the bottom corner? Take the bottom corner. And then we're going to line it up. Don't put it down till I say. Keep it nice and tight. Go over exactly where it goes supposed to be. Don't put it down yet. Is yours tight enough? Okay, put yours down then. Line it up perfectly. Alright, good. Go up. Now,
No, I didn't get it perfectly. Look.
No, it's okay. We want to pick it up and try again?
Nope.
No, we can't. Okay. No, you can't. Alright, go ahead. Push down this way. Smooth it down towards me.
What?
Like push on the top of the contact paper and smooth it down towards me.
I can't.
That's okay.
See?
Not bad.
Not bad.
We weren't even close to being lined up here. Look. Alright. Yay. Alright, so we weren't lined up very well, but that's okay because we're going to trim it with scissors and no one will know the difference. Take the tape off. Actually, we can even trim it like rounded maybe on the edges. Oh, that looks really cool. I like it. You like it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Alright. And just for fun, we're going to have everybody in our family make their own placemats too.